Hello friends, this is Mainak from Civil Center and I welcome all of you back to our video tutorial series on AutoCAD. So friends, in the previous videos we had discussed about our plan and also completed our drafting up to this portion. In this video, we'll go forward with the drafting of our plan. So if you haven't seen our previous videos, please go and watch those. So let's get started. So for our vertical lines, we can start from here and take an offset of 3 feet, and then again we can take an offset of 10 feet 4 inches. What will happen is that we can get this line as these two are in the same line. So after that we can also continue from this side, that is an offset of 10 inches for our outer wall, and then 6 feet 8 inch for our staircase landing, and then again 10 inches for our staircase wall, and also we can take an offset of 13 feet 6 inches for our master bedroom. And all the remaining drawings we can use the trim command and then complete all the remaining portions. So let us proceed further. So first of all we can press O space and then take an offset of 5 inches. 5 inches will take for this wall, and we can take an offset of 3 feet from the outer wall. So we will press double space and then 3 feet space, and then so we have reached here. Now we can take an offset of 5 inches again for this 5 inches. Next we can take an offset of 10 feet 4 inches. Then again 5 inches for our wall. Now we'll continue from this side, that is 10 inches and then 6 feet 8 inches, and again 10 inches for our staircase wall. So first 10 inches from here, and then 6 feet and 8 inches from here, and then again 10 inches for our staircase wall. So after that we can give the width of our master bedroom, that is 13 feet 6 inches. So from here we can give an offset of 13 feet and then 6 inches from this for our master bedroom, and then our 5-inch wall space 5 inch. So now we have completed our vertical lines, that is approximate rough lines which need to be drafted first. So now we can trim our unnecessary parts. So we'll press TR double space or double enter. So now we can trim the unnecessary parts from our master bedroom. Here we'll just trim this. You can see how easily we can trim. We can also trim this portion as it is not required. Next thing, in this bedroom also we don't need this. So here also this thing is not required, and then here you can remove this. Here also you can remove this and this also. From here we can remove this entire portion. This is not required. We can remove these remaining portions as well. You can press on escape and then remove the remaining portions from here after selecting those. So now as you can see, our plan is coming into its final shape. In the next video we'll move on towards the completion of this plan. So stay tuned to our channel. Bye for now.